每一個 tenses 都有佢嘅義同埋形。咩叫做義呢？就係呢個 tenses 嘅作用。咩叫做形呢？就係佢嘅文法規則，點樣運用主動詞 ordinary verb 同埋助動詞 helping verb 去形成嗰個時態。而家我哋就用 simple present 同 present continuous 呢兩個現在式去比較下佢哋嘅義同埋形嘅分別。我哋先講 simple present 嘅第一個義，即係佢嘅功能。simple present 我哋做咩㗎？表達一啲 habitual actions， 有乜嘢你係成日做嘅 something you do regularly。 至於 present continuous 嘅義又係乜嘢呢？係表達一啲 actions happening right now 而家做緊嘅。好啦，我哋用一個例句啊。Tom likes apples。 Tom 好鍾意食蘋果。But he is eating a durian now。 Now 佢而家食緊隻榴蓮。嗱，我哋睇一睇啦。Likes third person singular 要加 s 或者 es， 呢個就係佢嘅形。至於佢嘅義係表達一個 permanent preference， 一個持久嘅喜好 likes apples。 但係佢而家食緊隻榴蓮啊。He is eating third person singular 用 is helping verb 去幫助 ing form eating 去表達 present continuous 呢個形。至於佢嘅意思係為咗表達 current action happening right now， 而家食緊一隻榴蓮。好啦，我哋再睇睇 simple present 同埋 present continuous 仲有咩意義咯。simple present 亦都可以表達一啲 general truths or facts， 一啲事實同埋真理，亦都可以表達一啲 permanent situations， 一啲持久嘅處境。而 present continuous 嘅意義我哋做咩呢？係表達一啲 temporary actions， 臨時嘅行動 or situations 或者處境。嗱，我哋睇睇個例句咯。Tom lives in Paris。 佢而家喺巴黎住。Lives 個 shape 就係 third person singular 加 s 啦，或者 es 啦。而個意係表達呢個 permanent situation， 佢常住地係巴黎。Lives in Paris。 但係佢而家嘅 temporary situation 又點啊？ But he is working in London this month。 只係呢個月啫。表達呢個 temporary situation， 我哋亦都係用 is working 呢個形去表達 present continuous。 好啦，我哋再睇一睇 simple present 嘅第三種義咯。好多同學都忽略咗嘅。simple present 其實最常用嘅一種義係表達一個狀態 a state。 點為一個狀態呢？ The weather is fine。 呢個係一個狀態嚟嘅。我哋最常用嘅 simple present 其實係表達 I am happy， he is angry， they are hungry。 呢啲全部係狀態嚟嘅，全部用 simple present。 當然喺呢度嘅形係用 verb to be is am are， 唔使 do 同 does 嘅 helping verb 幫手噶啦，用 is am are 去表達一個 present state。 至於 present continuous 嘅義用嚟表達 gradual or developing changes， 例如 The weather is fine， 而家嘅狀態天氣好好啊。But it is getting colder day by day， 日復一日轉得比較凍啦。我哋嘅形係用 is getting 去表達呢個 gradual change。 It is getting colder day by day。 所以我哋應該先了解每一個 tense 嘅義，佢嘅作用係乜嘢，而佢嘅形就係點樣正確咁使用 ordinary and helping verbs 去寫出呢一個 tense。